Picture this, a compact electric car that looks innocent at first glance. Small footprint, city-friendly, easy to park anywhere. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes. Instant torque, sharp response, a feeling that this small EV is not here to behave politely. This is the all-new Cupra Raval VZ, and it might be one of the most exciting, affordable electric cars we have seen in years. Now here is the interesting part. The Raval is not trying to be a luxury flagship. It is not pretending to be a futuristic spaceship on wheels. It has a different mission: to make electric driving fun again. And that alone is enough to grab attention. Because let's be honest, a lot of small EVs today feel the same. Safe, efficient, but emotionally flat. The Raval VZ is trying to break that pattern. From the very first design sketches, you can see the attitude, sharp lines, aggressive stance, wide track proportions. It sits low for a small car, and it looks ready to move even when standing still. And yes, this is still a compact EV, built for the city, built for daily use. But Cupra clearly added something extra into its DNA. A bit of rebellion, a bit of racing spirit, and a lot of confidence. Now, let's talk about what really matters in a car like this: performance. The VZ version is expected to be the sportier variant of the Raval lineup. That means more power, quicker response, and a much more engaging driving experience compared to standard versions. Instant electric torque gives it that punch from zero. No delay, no hesitation, just go. And that's where things start to get interesting. Because in a small, lightweight EV like this, speed feels different. It feels sharper, more direct, almost playful. Rehook moment here. You might be thinking, it's just a small city EV. How exciting can it really be? But that's exactly where the surprise comes in. Cupra is not building this as a boring commuter box. They are building it as a driver's EV, something that makes even short trips feel alive. Now, step inside. The interior follows the same philosophy: minimal but focused, driver-oriented cockpit design, sports seats, clean digital interfaces, everything positioned to keep your attention forward. There is no unnecessary clutter, no distraction, just what you need to drive. And that fits the character of the car perfectly. Because the Raval VZ is not about sitting back and relaxing like a limousine. It is about engaging with the road. Another rehook moment here. If you think electric cars are all becoming the same, silent, soft, and emotionless, the Raval is here to challenge that idea. Now, let's talk range and practicality. This car is built on Volkswagen Group's small EV platform strategy, meaning efficiency is a key focus. It is designed for urban life, daily commuting, and occasional longer trips. Fast charging support is expected, which is essential for a car in this segment. Nobody wants to wait forever in a small EV. And this is where Cupra is being clever. They're not trying to beat Tesla or large EVs on range. That is not the point. They are focusing on the sweet spot: affordable pricing, compact size, fun driving dynamics, and enough range for real-world use. That combination is what could make the Raval VZ very dangerous for competitors, because most brands are still treating small EVs as basic mobility tools. Cupra is treating it like a lifestyle machine, and that changes everything. On the road, you can expect tight handling, quick direction changes, and a very connected steering feel compared to typical electric city cars. It is designed to feel alive in corners, not just straight-line efficient. And again, that is rare in this category. Most small EVs are designed to be neutral, safe, predictable. The Raval VZ seems to be designed to be fun first, everything else second. Now imagine this in real life: morning commute, tight city streets, traffic everywhere. Instead of feeling bored, you are actually enjoying the drive, moving through gaps, feeling the instant response, enjoying the compact agility. That is the idea behind this car. And if Cupra gets the pricing right, this could become one of the most popular entry-level performance EVs in Europe. Rehook moment again. Because here is the real question. Do we actually need another boring small electric car? Or do we finally need something that brings emotion back into everyday driving? The Raval VZ is clearly answering that question in its own way. Now, let's talk design language again for a moment. Cupra's identity is built on copper accents, sharp lighting signatures, and aggressive proportions. The Raval continues that DNA, but in a more compact form. It feels like a scaled-down performance hatchback, not just a city EV. And that matters for brand identity, because when you see it on the road, you immediately know it is not just another economy EV. It has personality. It has attitude. And that is something buyers are starting to care about more and more. Now we reach the big picture. The electric car market is changing fast. Too fast. Too fast. Some brands are focusing only on range numbers. Others are chasing luxury comfort. Some are just trying to be the cheapest option available. But very few are focusing on driving emotion. The Cupra Raval VZ is stepping directly into that gap. And that is why it stands out. It is not trying to be everything. It is trying to be fun. Simple as that. And in today's EV world, that might be exactly what people have been missing. Now, before we end, imagine this car arriving in cities like London, Berlin, Paris, or even Istanbul streets. Compact, quick, aggressive, silent, but exciting. It changes the perception of what a small EV should feel like. And if Cupra delivers on the promise, this could become a turning point for affordable electric performance cars. Final rehook. Because the real story of the Raval VZ is not just about specifications. It is about emotion returning to electric driving. And that is something numbers alone cannot describe. Now I want to ask you something. If this car launches at the right price, with this level of performance and design, would you actually choose it over a traditional petrol hot hatch? Think about that, because the future of driving might not be about horsepower anymore. It might be about how a car makes you feel in everyday life. And the Cupra Raval VZ is clearly aiming straight at that feeling. If you enjoyed this breakdown, stay tuned for more deep dives into the newest performance EVs and future machines that are reshaping the automotive world.